Now we do aerobic breathing techniques. In aerobic breathing techniques, the first pranayam is Surya Bhedi pranayam. And before we do Surya Bhedi pranayam, so keep your left hand in Vayu Mudra. Keep your tip of index finger to the bottom of the thumb, palms facing upward. For all breathing techniques, aerobic breathing techniques, keep always your palm upward, where you draw the energy. Keep your left palm onto the thigh and your right hand into the Nasikagra Mudra. Nasikagra Mudra, your middle finger, index finger onto the forehead, and your ring finger above the nostrils onto the bone, and you are controlling your nostrils between thumb and little finger. That is called Nasikagra Mudra. With the practice, you will be able to do this mudra comfortably. So it helps in pranayama. Now Surya Bhedi. Keeping your left hand in Vayu Mudra, right hand in Nasikagra Mudra. Inhale from right nostril, deeply filling in your lungs. Exhale deeply from left nostril. Inhale from right nostril. Exhale from left nostril. Don't force to breathe in and breathe out. Comfortably but deep breath. And your exhalation should be longer than inhalation. Naturally it should come. Do it comfortably. Feeling comfort is very important. Surya Bhedi helps in increasing the metabolic rate. It helps in activating sympathetic nervous system. It helps in giving the energy to the body to overcome the lethargy. It helps in dissolving the fat in the stomach. One can practice even 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. After Surya Bhedi, doing for about 10 to 15 rounds, the next pranayama is sectional breathing, Vibhaga Mudra Pranayam. In Vibhaga Mudra Pranayam, we are supplying oxygen to the different parts of the lungs. Here, the mudra is very important. The first mudra, Dhyan Mudra. Keep your tip of the index finger to the tip of the thumb, palms facing upward, and your thumb little at inclination to the tip of the index finger. Dhyan Mudra helps in concentration, and your breath remains shallow here. It's called clavicular breathing. Now keep your both the hands in Dhyan Mudra onto the knees, palms facing upward. Keep your back and neck straight. Inhale comfortably. Exhale comfortably. Observe to which parts of the lungs air is going in. It goes to upper parts of the lungs. Examine critically. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Do it for a count of 5, 5 to 10. Now keep your index finger to the middle of the thumb, to the venous. It's called Chin Mudra. Here when you breathe in, air goes to middle parts of the lungs. Intercostal breathing. Keep your both the hands in Chin Mudra. Keep your back and neck straight. Inhale deeply and exhale deeply and comfortably. Inhale and exhale. Observe to which parts of the lungs air is going in. You will find that air is going to middle parts of the lungs and your breath is much deeper than before. Do it for about 5 to 10 counts. Now keep your index finger to the bottom of the thumb. Vayu Mudra. It's called diaphragmatic breathing. Here breath remains much deeper than previous two breaths, two patterns, two mudras. In Vayu Mudra, keep your hands in Vayu Mudra. Inhale deeply, exhale deeply, and your diaphragm being pushed down in inhalation, so stomach comes out in inhalation. In exhalation, your stomach contracts, it goes inside. In inhalation, stomach comes out. In exhalation, your stomach goes in. Inhale deeply, exhale deeply, and relax comfortably in a very relaxed way. Breathe in and breathe out. Very good breathing for improving the lungs capacity. Even during the day, once in a while, sitting in a chair in the office, you can inhale deeply, exhale deeply in Vayu Mudra. It helps in regenerating, it gives you energy. Here air goes to deeper parts of the lungs, deeper parts of the lungs. Just relax. The next breathing technique we are going to practice is Bandhatraya Pranayam. Bandhatraya Pranayam. Here, when I tell you to inhale, in inhalation, expand your rectum, muscles, sphincter muscles, expand your genitals, expand your abdomen, expand your stomach, and take your chin up. After inhalation, when you hold the breath, keep everything in expansion. Your rectum in expansion, your genitals in expansion, abdomen in expansion, stomach in expansion, and chin locked upwards. And when you exhale, start contracting your anal muscles, your genitals inside, stomach inside, and bring down your chin down to the chest. And after exhalation, when you hold the breath, pull in everything, contract everything to your capacity. Pull your anal muscles totally inside, genitals inside, abdomen inside, and chin locked in. Here, pulling in your sphincter muscles and expanding it, it's called Ashwini Mudra. Moola Bandhan, contraction. Your genitals, expansion and contraction called Vajroli Mudra, Amaroli Mudra. and your abdomen contracting in Uddiyana Bandhan. Locking inside called Jalandhar Bandhan. That is why it is called Bandhatraya Pranayam. Come, let's start. Keep your both the fingers in Jnana Mudra. Keep your palms facing upward in Vayu Mudra and keep your palms downward onto the knees. So taking support your knees. Now your palms are downward in Vayu Mudra called Jnana Mudra. It helps in removing the impurities in your systems, in your excretory system, reproductive system and digestive system. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4. Chin up. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Chin locked up. Breathe out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Chin coming down. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Locked in. Everything in contracted. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Inhale and keep your hands backward and relax. Move your chin up in inhalation and chin down in exhalation. Just inhale, exhale comfortably and relax. Relax totally. The next pranayama is Anulom Vilom. This is aerobic Anulom Vilom. So very comfortably you have to inhale and you have to exhale. Your comfort is utmost important. No sound should come in inhalation, in exhalation. That comfortably you should inhale and exhale. With every inhalation you should feel your mind is relaxed. With every exhalation you should feel your mind is calming down. Keep your left hand in Vayu Mudra, right hand in Nasikagra Mudra. Inhale from right nostril comfortably. Exhale from left nostril comfortably. Inhale from left nostril. Exhale from right nostril. Alternate nostril breathing. Very comfortable breathing, very comfortable breathing. Inhale, exhale. How long you are breathing, how short you are breathing, how much you are breathing is not important. Whether you are feeling comfort while breathing is very important. Do it until your mind totally calms down for a count of 10. Inhale and exhale. Relax totally. And observe the inhalation from the left nostril, the inhalation from the right nostril. Which one is colder? Which one is hotter? The exhalation from left nostril, the exhalation from the right nostril. Which one is more hotter? Just examine. Inhale, exhale. Relax, relax. The last pranayam is Bhramari pranayam. Bhramari, wild bee. Inhale and produce a sound. When you produce the sound, the exhalation automatically takes place. Keep your fingers in Shanmukhi Mudra. Your thumbs plugged inside the ears, your index finger to the eyelid, gently pressing down to the bone underneath the eyeball, and your middle finger onto the bone on the nose above the nostrils, and you are locking your lips between ring finger and little finger. Your lips are closed, your ears are closed, eyes are closed, and nostrils partly. Inhale deeply and produce a sound. And because your ears are plugged in, you hear a echo. Concentrate on the echo. If you are concentrated, you will be able to produce the sound for a longer duration. It helps in concentration. Concentrate on the echo. And without opening your eyes in between, repeat 5 times, keeping your eyes closed. And after doing it for 5 times, don't open your eyes directly. Warm up your palms, rub them together in the friction, let little warmthness develop, and then hug them, both the palms to the eyes, closed eyes, to the eyeballs, and loosen out your fingers onto the eyes. Open your eyes inside the semi-darkness, inside the closed fingers, loosened fingers, and nicely massaging your forehead, eyes, face. Open it out. Open your fingers, keep them down. So Bhramari. Keep your fingers in Shanmukhi Mudra. Inhale. Now you must have finished 5 counts, and Rub your palms, hug them to the eyes, eyeballs, and open your eyes inside your palms. And slowly open them out, nicely massaging. Relax.